The 6 bike, Luciano, and the 699 bike in the mix. You got the orange bike, the 2 in the front. That is Patterson has got your lead. The 699 bike, that is Knight in the 2 spot. We're taking one out of this rack. Taking one rider. It looks like it's going to go to the 2 bike. Patterson going to take the transfer out. It comes down. Looks like that is Daniel Mazzuti getting there first. Got the whole shot. Getting into turn number 1. Here comes Mazzuti. In the lead, that is Daniel Mazzuti on the hot lap. Looking for your transfer. Mazzuti in the 1 spot. Coming around on the 9 bike. That is Todd Castaway on the number 9 plate. Well, we are taking one, and it's going to go to Mazzuti on your transfer. Castaway and on. We are on 15-18. This is 4-cross racing. We got Anthony Leonard Doozy, got Brian Gus, Clayton Garber, and Daniel Douglas. No transfers here. These guys are riding all the way. They're going to ride all around. You got the 3 bike, Daniel Douglas in the lead. Douglas going on total points tonight. Douglas has got your 1 spot, the 2 spots, the 5 of Gus, and the 3 spots going to the 6 of Anthony. 4-cross racing, Moto 3, Levi Miller, Lane Nighthawk, Evan Keel, and Brian Thunder. 4-cross riders, no transfers here. These guys are going to ride all around. The 7 bike, Keel out of Redmond, Washington. We got the 8 bike, Tucker in the 2 spot. Looking good, single file style. Here comes the 7 bike, Keel. It's going to go the 8 bike and the 5 bike of Nighthawk. All right, who's going to get that whole shot? Let's see who we got. Is that Levine coming around? Al Levine looks like he's got your lead. Levine has got your 1 spot. The 2 spot is going to go to the 5 bike of Kelly. The 3 is going to Mike Braywall out of Woodville, Washington. Levine in charge right now is going to go 1. The 5 of Kelly is going 2. And the 7 bike of Braywall is going 3. This is a transfer moto rider. Who's going to get out there first? Gibb. Jason Gibb. Looking good. He's got into turn number 1. In and out. Gibb on the 1. The 2 bike is going 2. Let's see, we got McCracken. Wall is holding the 2 spot down. Standing on the 3 bike. And you got Mark Brent in the 4. So we're taking Gibb out of this rack. He's going to get a little break. Other guys are going to ride the next round for another 2. Bob Wilson, Bob Riley, and Big Randy McDaniel. Big Hack. McDaniel all over this one. You have those colors flying in the front. Factory roller rider. Here he comes. McDaniel has got the 1 spot. 40 and over. Here he is. Coming into that straight with the 2 spot. Going to Bob Riley on the 2 bike. And Wilson in the 3 spot. We're taking McDaniel out of this one. Moto 5B. Pro riders ride for some cash tonight. The 1. Whoever gets the win tonight is going to get $155. Whoever gets the 2 spot is going to get $105. The 3 spot is going to get $65. And the 4 spot $50. Oh, coming out of that turn, the 4 bike, that is Wallstrom. We're going to take 1. We're going to take, looks like Wallstrom going to get out of here. Wallstrom going to get you transfer with McKnight, or Jerry Knight is going to get you 2. 1B, we're going to take 1 rider, the 9 bike with a straight shot. That is Todd Castaway. He is out of Fort Orchard. Got there wrong, but Todd is in your lead. Nice move over the jump. Here comes Todd in the 1 spot. The 703 bike, McCracken in the last turn action coming back at you. It's going to be Wall getting your transfer out 5A. There's got one spot. 2 bike on the inside. We got the 7 bike of Wilson on the outside. Randy McDaniel has already transferred out of this one. Who's it going to be? The 2 bike. Bob Riley doing it out of Bremerton. PI BMX. He's going for your transfer. Here we go. 40 over. It's going to go to Riley's going to take your transfer. Getting out there for Missouri. Getting out first, Daniel Missouri the 9 bike. He's getting to the 10 spot. Passes away. The 3 spot is going to the 4 bike. Kyle Walter. Missouri carving up that turn. Here he comes. Missouri, hop, skip, and jump in the rhythm. Missouri in that last turn. It is going to go with Daniel. The 9 bike is going to go 2. Passes go to 3. Walter the 4. And Patterson. Daniel Patterson. Who comes out first on the inside lane, the 3 bike. Davey Douglas. And got your whole shot. Davey Douglas is your leader. Into the second straight. Davey Douglas gets the big time there. Here comes Davey Douglas. The 5 bike of Brian. Brian Gus is in your 2 spot. Goose. The Goose is loose. It's sketchy too. Here we go. The 6 bike. Leonard Hughes going to get the 3. Here we go. Lane. Lane Nyhoff. Out of East Canada. Leon Miller. Here we go. Big time here. From the 80 bike. Brian Tucker. And Lane Nyhoff is in your 2 spot. It's going to go to Brian Tucker. Going to grab the 1 today. He comes down on your 30 to 39-year-old. It is an Allen Levine all day long. Hold down the 4 Levine. In out the first turn. He's got the 1 spot. The 2 spot going to Kevin Kelly. Levine Kelly in the 3 spot going to rear wall. This is the 30. Oh, right, going down. Watch out the turn, fellas. Levine, the 7 by rear wall. Is going to take the 2 spot and getting out. Giving it to Tim Kelly. 40 over. Who's getting out first? Give. And big Randy McDaniel, big man. Give, getting there first. Give. McDaniel, who's for Kona. Give. Getting up and over. Here comes Giver. Yeah, 1 spot. McDaniel's got 2 spot. Wall's got your 3. Yeah, last turn all the way through. It goes down. It's going to go to Give. McDaniel. And Wall. 40 over. Get her done. There you give. It's got the 1 spot to 2. Like big time here. Over the turn. Get it. Hard out that turn. The all-open class is going to go to Jason Give. He can't be all you 4 guys come out here for Monday.